Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you such a skill from which you can earn amount of money by just doing 3 to 5 minutes work. So this is a very important skill to work on. The skill name is uh, LinkedIn background photo design. So first of all, we will check on different freelancing platform that there is demand for this skill or not. Then we will start learning to design this LinkedIn background on Canva. So let's go to Fiverr, and Fiverr is the one of the best freelancing platforms where you can sell your services and earn money. So I write here LinkedIn background. Result for LinkedIn background, 23 services available, only 23 services. So you can easily beat, and this is, uh, you know, you can easily rank them. And 71 orders, top rated, and 4 orders means there is a demand, and 2 orders, so there is a demand for this skill. You can easily rank on this skill and easily earn good amount of money. So first of all, I would like to open the gig of top rated freelancer, which name is Mayank Satliwal, and let's analyze his gig. So in basic package, he charged $50 for only 2 images as per your requirement. In standard package, $100, only 4 images. In premium package, $150, only 6 images. This is just a matter of 2 to 3 minutes, and he earned such money. And he got 71 reviews also. So that's great. So you can also read his gig description and analyze it, and make your gig according to it. So that's it for our Fiverr part or freelancing part. Let's go to Canva and start designing. And so I cross this and I'm going to Canva, and here I search linked in LinkedIn background photo. So it shows me different templates. Wait a second. So I click on this. LinkedIn is a very good platform for finding jobs and for businesses. So after the Fiverr course, we will also start uploading videos on LinkedIn, so you can also find clients for your services there. So bear with me, just wait for some seconds, and that's it. So these are different templates. You can easily customize any of them. I want to choose this one. This look good. So I want to customize this template. So here I just change the name, like John William. If you want to change the font, I already told you guys how you can change the font by going into font, and you can select the font whatever you want. So but I like this one, so I keep it this way. And after that, designation, so I write here only marketing manager, not product marketing manager, marketing manager. Okay. If you want to change the background color of the button, so you can easily change the color. Yeah, that's look good. After that, you can easily customize the site name, like John William.com, and hello @johnwilliam.com, and this is the phone number. You can easily customize this phone number. So that's it. If you want to change the photo, just go into photos and select tech, and it provides you different photos. You can easily replace the image. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also earn good money. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.